Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make a tasty beetroot stir fry recipe. We can make this delicious recipe in 20 minutes. You will really love this recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1 small chopped onion, half teaspoon chili flakes. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. After 3 minutes, keep it low flame, then add a pinch of turmeric powder and mix it for a minute. Now add 250 grams of beetroot cut into small pieces like this. Also add 1 center slit green chili, some curry leaves, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Then add 2 tablespoons water and close the lid. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes on low flame. After 6 minutes, we can open the lid. Add half teaspoon pepper powder. Mix it well. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Stir every 30 seconds in between. After 4 minutes, we can switch off the flame. Our tasty beetroot stir fry recipe is ready. We can make this recipe in 20 minutes.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.